try to tip it fair, but we're not getting it. So you say you like big penis?
No, I don't like big penis.
I like she keep it real.
I got 2 kids by little penis.
No little
I
penis.
got two kids by little penis.
Listen to me. No little penis can't fit in a big
She don't want no man no more. She don't want no man because my problem.
You don't want no man anymore?
No.
I love you.
Because I have my 2 kids by little penis and I know how to do what I do with myself.
That's right. Well, let me out on lesbian. I'm going to try you out. And see if you sweet me too. Maybe sweet me on. You might sweet me right, baby. I'm going to sweet me. Man, behind you running. You might sweet me. She said she don't want a man no more. She want a woman. I might try her out. Let me see how she look. Let me see how you look. Your body look tight. Yes, baby. So we are trying to go out now. We're friendly. Oi! Why you run so?
You see Bonnie, you see her, right?
So right now we are going home. We're tired. We've been running all day. And we're going. And my friend right there said she don't want to bother with man no more. And she get pregnant by 2 small penis. But her girlfriend is saying she's a liar. She had a big penis and it was a small penis. She said it's not right. You're not telling the truth. Hi, baby. She said you're not telling the truth.
Small penis, not just 2 different penis, small penis.
You're 2 different small penis to get pregnant by.
We just tired of man. That's it.
The other man I want in my life is Jesus Christ.
Sorry.
We're tired of
She
that.
not joke, but listen to me. Them say sucking pussy is abomination to the Lord. You cannot be sucking pussy, child. That's a pussy sent her to hell anyway. God tell you must take cocky and get pregnant and bear food fruit. If you must suck pussy. Sucking pussy is sin. And you must suck an next woman pussy or catches. You shut this cunt up. The fuck wrong with you? Me's a blood clot for your pussy hole no ass. For your pussy hole no why baby? Why I should have gone wrong? Your pussy can't turk. Turk the pussy, girl, turk the pussy, girl, turk the pussy. I want to them. Who are we the whole squeeze of pussy? Mommy, beat me. My mother beat me for being myself, but I can't. The world make me fucking crazy right now. I put drugs in our food, we get high just like that. So we're out my youth and we're home now. We're nice outside.
Yes,
Alright. Here's the type pussy crew. I love our Bajan girl. She's cool.
thank you.
I'm not eating nobody. I believe that I'm just joking around. And you guys are gorgeous. And you suck for your pussy, you say no? She suck for you? You suck for your one? Just suck back for your one good? Don't be a hypocrite bitch. Just suck the girl pussy good or not. I hate when you carry on like that. You're sucking the pussy, you're not sucking the pussy. What are you doing? Look out of here. Don't tell no lie. You know you suck this shit. Just be honest, you suck it. Man, if you suck the pussy, you suck the pussy in a big deal. What? Your smile, so you suck a million pussy. You want me to catch your baby? Say hello, YouTube. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up to my hand. Say hello. Just say hello. Yes. And I'm a friend. I'm a like them because they're honest girls. She said yes, she suck it. And she's supposed to do it in return and suck it back. So don't fucking have the girl hanging. Work that tongue, bitch. Work that bomber clot tongue. I'm in love with a bomber clot. People, lesbian are catch me the disease. People, lesbian disease are catch me.
Disease free.
No, lesbian disease. That means I'm catching to be a lesbian too.
Oh, you gonna be a
So
lesbian
I am telling you the disease of the lesbian is catching me while I'm here with you guys.
yes.
That's what I'm saying, bitch. Lesbian a try catch me. Lesbian a try lick up me pum pum tongue for me. Lord Jesus. I mean know it a go sweet. Me know it a go blood clot. Sweet. So sweet. It a go blood clot. Sweet. It a go blood clot. Sweet. And it a go squeak a blood clot.
What?
Just be sweet.